In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Microsoft Forms. This skill is particularly useful when you're creating longer forms that require segmentation, such as surveys, quizzes, or any form that benefits from being divided into sections for clarity and ease of completion. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Microsoft Forms. You can access it by going to the Microsoft Forms website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in if you haven't already. This is the gatekeeper step, making sure that you're entering with full access to your forms and their capabilities. Signing in is straightforward. Click on the Sign In button and enter your email address associated with Microsoft Forms. Microsoft prioritizes security and privacy, so it will then ask you to input your password. Be assured that Microsoft keeps this information secure and uses it merely to verify your identity. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the Forms dashboard. This is essentially your command center for all things forms related. Here you can manage your existing forms or create new ones. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering a clear overview of your forms and their statuses. Now, assuming you've selected an existing form or created a new one, we'll jump into adding a new page to it. As your form grows with questions and sections, organization becomes key. Microsoft Forms acknowledges this through the option to segment your survey or quiz into different pages. To add a new page, you'll want to look for the plus sign located usually at the bottom or to the side of the form in your editing view. Microsoft has designed the interface to be intuitive, guiding you with visual cues. Once you locate the plus sign, click on it and then select Section from the options provided. By selecting Section, you're essentially instructing the form to start a new page from that point. This is immensely helpful for separating different topics or sections within your form to make it as easy to navigate as possible for the participants. Adding a new section is not just about dividing the form, but it also allows you to provide a title and description for each section. This feature can be leveraged to give instructions, context, or any relevant information your respondent might need before answering the questions in that section. Think of it as introducing a new chapter in a book, providing your respondents with a clear indication of what's coming next. Remember, keeping your forms organized and easy to navigate not only improves the experience for the person filling it out, but can also help in ensuring that the responses you receive are well considered and accurate. Participants are more likely to complete your form if it's clear and straightforward. Additionally, segmenting your form into multiple sections or pages can also make it easier for you, the creator, to manage and analyze responses. It allows you to categorize responses based on the sections they belong to, making data analysis more structured and less overwhelming. Lastly, as you're working on adding these new sections or pages to your form, don't forget to periodically save your work. Microsoft Forms typically auto-saves your progress, but it's always good practice to manually save, especially after making significant changes. This way you avoid any potential loss of work due to unforeseen issues like internet connectivity problems. By now you should have a good understanding of how to add a new page or section to your Microsoft Forms. Remember, the key to creating a successful form is not only in the questions you ask, but also in how you organize and present those questions. A well-structured form can lead to better engagement and more accurate responses, ultimately making your data collection process smoother and more effective. That's all for today's tutorial. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating dynamic and user-friendly forms using Microsoft Forms. Whether for feedback collection, event planning, or classroom quizzes, mastering the art of sectioning your form will definitely elevate your form creating game. Happy form making!